Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical expressions. Here we have to evaluate 12th root of 161 minus 720 over square root 20. So let's get started. I will write this expression equal to x first. Now I will rationalize our denominator here. So I need to multiply by root 5 in the numerator and denominator. This will be equal to 12th root of 161 minus 720 square root 5 divided by, this is square root 100, so I can write 10. Now this 10 and 0 will be over. So x is 12th root of, let me write in this manner, 161 minus 72 square root 5 whole power is 1 over 12. Now I can factor this 12 as 161 minus 72 square root 5 and then whole power will be 1 over 2 times 6. Now we know the property of exponents a power b times c. It is equal to a power b whole power c. So I will be writing x as 161 minus 72 square root 5 whole power 1 by 2 and then whole power 1 by 6. So it is square root 161 minus 72 square root 5 and then 6th root or power 1 by 6. So let us calculate this square root value first. Let me write here square root 161 minus 72 square root 5. Now I can split this 161 as 81 plus 80, then minus 72 square root 5. Now 81 we can write it is 9 square. 80 we can write 4 root 5 whole square. Root 80 is 4 root 5 whole square minus 2 times 9 times 4 root 5. So 2 times 9 is 18. 18 times 4 is 72 square root 5. Now if you will notice it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is one algebraic identity a minus b whole square. So I can write here square root 9 minus 4 square root 5 whole square. Now square root is there, a square is there, it will be cancelled out. So we have 9 minus 4 square root 5. And we will replace square root 161 minus 72 square root 5 with this value. Let us replace. So x will become 9 minus 4 square root 5 whole power 1 over 6. Again I will write 9 minus 4 square root 5. Power can be factorized as denominator only 2 times 3. So again I will use exponent property 9 minus 4 square root 5 whole power 1 by 2 and then whole power 1 by 3. So this is square root 9 minus 4 square root 5 whole power 1 over 3. Let us calculate this square root first. So I will be writing here 9 minus 4 root 5 square root. Now I will split 9 as 5 plus 4 minus 4 square root 5. So it is square root 5 can be written as root 5 square. 4 can be written as 2 square And here I can write 4 root 5 as 2 times root 5 times 2, which is 4 root 5. Now again it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in this place we can write a minus b whole square. So I will be writing square root. This is square root 5 minus 2 whole square. Let us replace this value square root 9 minus 4 square root 5 by root 5 minus 2. Now I can write our x as x will be equal to square root 5 minus 2 whole power 1 over 3, or we can write it is cube root of square root 5 minus 2. Same thing. Let us consider cubing both sides. So I will write x cube. It is equal to root 5 minus 2. Now I will find cube root using shortcut method, Simon's favorite factoring trick. So let me write here, or better is to say multiply both sides by 8. So I will write 8x cube equal to 8 root 5 minus 8 times 2, 16. Left hand side I can write it is 2x whole cube. Right hand side 8 root 5 I will split 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5 minus 15 minus 1. This is a split of 16. Let me write here 2x whole cube. It is equal to 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5 minus 15 minus 1. So 5 root 5 is cube of root 5. Now I will be writing here this value negative 1. Let me write once in the appropriate order. Plus 3 is square root 5. Now I can write 5 root 5 is root 5 whole cube minus 1 as 1 whole cube, a cube minus b cube, minus 3 times a square times b. So this is negative 15 plus 3 times a times b square. So let me write formula for a minus b whole cube first. It is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So RHS I can write it is root 5 minus 1 whole cube, and left hand side it is 2x whole cube. Consider cube root both sides. So 2x will be equal to square root 5 minus 1. And let's divide both sides by 2 to get the answer. X will be equal to root 5 minus 1 over 2. This will be our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.